thank you for your purchase of your brand new P-Bars. We're gonna walk you through a quick assembly, disassembly, and just a general quick start guide of how to get started using your P-Bars. So when you receive your package, you should have 2 bars. You receive 4 end caps, 8 legs, 4 locking pins, and a little tube of O-ring grease. So to get started before anything, we recommend taking your O-ring grease, putting a little dab on your finger, like so, and then going through and just adding a little dab of grease to the O-ring on each of your 8 legs. So you just go through, wipe it on, next, wipe it on, so on and so forth. This will help your legs insert and come out of your end caps a little easier. It keeps it from getting stuck. Just general, it helps your O-rings last a little bit longer. So we recommend adding your little O-ring grease here. Once that's done, you're pretty much ready to get started. So you take your tube, take your end cap, install your end cap like so, install your locking pin, same thing for the opposite side, end cap on, insert your safety pin, and now you have your bar and your end caps ready to go. You take your 8 legs, or I'm sorry, your 4 legs, install them into your holes on your end caps, and there you have it, a fully assembled set of P-Bars. For disassembly, it's pretty much the same thing, just in reverse. So you take your legs out, like so, all 4 legs. You remove 1 end cap, so safety pin out, end cap off. And this is a little trick we found helps install your legs a little easier. So you see how your legs have a foot on one side. We found that it helps to actually do a little flip-flop action. So reverse, right? So feet down first, install those. 2, take your remaining 2 feet, drop them in, and they should fall in place. Put your end cap back on, and there you have it. P-Bars ready for portability, toss in your bag, you're ready to go. Thank you guys again for your support, and we'll see you next time.